As summer is here, it's absolutely important to make changes in our daily diet so that our body is at ease and can accommodate the climate changes. And in this weather, we are always asked to eat more of red onions as it helps to keep away from heat stroke. But do you know that there is a variety of white onions too? Hey viewers, welcome back to Ainish Kitchen. Today's recipe is for weight loss watchers. It helps for reducing the inflammation and it also helps to protect our organs like kidney, heart, skin, etc. Today I am preparing Kandache Koshimbir. This is a Maharashtrian recipe. Kanda means onions, so we are using white onions over here. And Koshimbir means salad. This is the easiest and the healthiest recipe for this summer and it's filled with vitamin C. Watch this whole video till the end as I will be sharing amazing health benefits for summer. The hero ingredient of our recipe is Safed Kanda, which means white onions. Here I have taken 2 white onions. These are medium size. The recipe is quite simple and can be served as a salad or a mid-morning snack. Once you peel off the skin, it is advisable to wash or soak the onions for few minutes before cutting them, as it will reduce a bit of the pungent and the harsh flavor. Cut the onions as tiny as possible. The white onions are heart friendly because of the presence of antioxidant quercetin in it. This is highly effective in controlling stomach bloating, night sweats, and it is also good for gut bacteria as it works as a prebiotic. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video that this recipe is very good for people who want to lose weight. It also helps to reduce inflammation in our body and also protect our organs like heart, liver and kidney. Definitely this recipe or the white onions or consuming the white onions as raw definitely saves us from the heat stroke. Transfer the minced onions into a big bowl. And the second most important ingredient is tomatoes. Which has the presence of lycopene, another antioxidant. When combining the white onions and the tomatoes, they help to reduce inflammation in the body and protect organs and boost our immunity. I don't want to lose any of the nutritious juice. Then a handful of fresh coriander leaves or parsley leaves. And if add couple of fresh mint leaves, that will add a zing to this salad. One fresh red chili, I used red chili so that I can easily identify the chili from the salad and remove it before eating. You can definitely skip chili if you are serving this salad to kids. Mix them all well. Add salt as per taste. This recipe just takes 5 minutes and is prepared with the common ingredients from your kitchen, and make this as part of your daily meal. 2 to 3 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut, and a juice of half lemon. That's it. Give a final mix and serve them immediately as a starter or a snack or salad to your regular meal. So friends, what are you waiting for? Just head to your kitchen and quickly make this Kandache Koshimbir or the onion salad and benefit your health and your family's health. If you like this recipe, do give a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to leave your valuable comments and I will respond to you soon. Thank you for watching and see you soon with another interesting recipe.